family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. We have, as you see from the title, some layering combinations, and I don't do many of these videos if I don't have any layering combinations to share, but I have been having so much fun with my tray, and I actually have some layering combinations that I can share with the fam, and so I had to bring it to, of course, my channel, share with you all. And so this will go real quick, but I just wanted to show you what are some combinations that I have been loving from the tray. So let's talk about the first combination, which I wore for Easter Sunday, Resurrection Sunday. I really enjoyed myself, but I wanted to smell like spring. And anytime I think about spring, I really think about roses and florals and all of that. But I also wanted to throw on some sweetness. Okay, so I started off with this baby right here. Y'all gonna get sick of me talking about this. I'm gonna get sick of me talking about this. Like this, I am definitely gonna need to replace this. I have enjoyed this so much, and this is the cotton candy from Dua, the Dua brand. You are like, if you want to smell like a sweet cotton candy, still girly, but a sweet tooth. This is a sweet tooth, but it is so good. It's so powerful, and it can just bring any fragrance that might have a more harsher rose or floral note. It can bring some candy and sweet life to the fragrance, and I started with this. It was so good. I could wear this every day. I'm sorry. I love this sweet tooth. Like, this is so good. I love it. And the more it sits, I love it more. So I went in with this first, and then I brought out my new Kayali Fleur Majesty. Okay, I wanted to bring this out, Royal Royale. I wanted to bring this fragrance out. I, again, wanted to wear a rose fragrance for Easter, just giving me this spring. But when I had this sweet tooth, I was like, ooh, I need a floral, but I need a fruity floral, okay? So this has your juicy pear, we have sweet peach, we have rose royale, we have pink peony, violet woods, and purple musk. Okay, so all those things I wanted to make sure that I, wore for Sunday, and this was so amazing, especially with this sweet tooth. It just was a match made in heaven. But I did not stop there. Yeah, I did the most this time, because normally I don't do like the three, throw this on after this, unless it's a body spray. If it's a body spray, then your sis probably does 3 fragrance layering things, but I really don't normally do that. But I did the most for Resurrection Sunday. I mean, come on. But then I threw on the Queen of the Queen Bees for the spring and summer, really all year long. Some people love her, and some people just don't want to talk about her, talk to her, because she gets all the hype. But I'm talking about Delina, and this is Parfums de Marly. I wish, and I have to get it, right? I wish I had the either La Rosé of the Delina or the Exclusive. I feel like the Delina Exclusive would have pushed this fragrance over the top, or this combination over the top. So, but I have Delina. One day I will get the trifecta. I will get the other fragrances, but this, with this juicy rose and this sweet tooth, was my combination for Easter Resurrection Sunday, and I enjoyed it. Did get compliments. I smelled this more for whatever reason. It was just like rose, sweet. I enjoyed myself, and yeah, so if you have these beautiful babies in your collection, definitely would recommend you try your sweet tooth rose fruity floral fragrance. Moving on. Next up, No one ever knows what I am wearing when I wear this combination. She is like the best kept secret. Not that I'm gatekeeping, because clearly I'm bringing it to my fam. Everybody else, it really doesn't matter. But this is like the best kept secret combination. And I say that because every time I wear these two together, it's like, what are you wearing? And then when I tell them, they're like, eh? Like, it is so good and delicious. And okay, here we go. From Navitus, okay? This is Melon Kiss. I know. Maybe you don't like Melon Kiss. Maybe you don't even know about Melon Kiss, but this is your cantaloupe beauty, okay? I love this fruity loveliness. It is so unique to me because to find cantaloupe, in a fragrance, you're like, huh? Sometimes, but this is so good. I love this down, and this is in partnership with Gabby Loves Perfume. Girl, you did that all day, every day. I love me some Melon Kiss, okay? But I put Melon Kiss with Acqua di Gioia, and this is Giorgio Armani. This is the original. This is the green one. These together, stop playing, okay? Stop playing. No questions asked. Will you get compliments? Yeah. Okay. If you don't get compliments, I feel like you didn't spray at all. Not one peep, right? This is so, y'all, this is so good. I have enjoyed these two together. Oh, I can smell it now. Oh my gosh. It's like my fruity dream. And but there's a uniqueness in this. And again, I don't know if it's probably the cantaloupe in it, but it brings this, not just this fruity fragrance, lollygag. Like, this is impactful. This is different, but so good. And you will smell delicious and fresh, and you'll smell good, sis. Oh, don't hurt them, okay? Don't hurt them, okay? We need people in the world, right? They will drop down to the ground, and they won't know what happened to themselves, right? Like, but we need people, I guess, in this world other than us, right? So ease up, be cautious, okay? The most, it's fine. But this is so good, okay? Separate but together, these beauties it's just so good. I don't even know what to say. It's amazing and unique, and it brings out all your fruity desires, whatever those are. Moving on. I wore this combination because I wanted to peach it up. Okay, I wanted some peach fruity fragrance in my life, and I said, honey, let's go with Taskine. Let's go with the peach tea, of course, and let's put it with Skylar Peach Fields. Like, we want the peach tea and we want the peach in the fields, right? All day, every day. This together is your peach fantasy. Like, it's your peach dream. Like, peach tea, peach in fields, like tomato, like peaches all day. Now, if you don't like peach, you don't like the smell of peach, you don't like that fruit at all, bypass this, because this combination is not for you. You don't want this. This ain't you. But if you are a peach fragrance lover, I'm not even gonna hold you, okay? If you have this in your collection, pull it out now. It's one of them. But if you don't, you're gonna want to add this to your wish list. You're gonna want to really think about this, okay? We have a clean brand, Skylar, love them, but this is peach and fresh, and it just delivers what you want for the spring. Easy reach, but this one, it adds just that tea, right? That just the boot. It gives a darker flair, but not too dark, not too dark. But it gives you sweet tea, peach sweet tea. Again, these together, help yourself if you love peach. Again, if you don't like peach at all, not your thing, you don't ever want it to be your thing. That suggestion is not for you. The next one will be for you. Okay, moving on. And last but certainly not least, for my recommendations for some layering combinations from my tray, honey, new notes. Let me turn it around. New notes. Latte pistachio. Yeah, if you didn't catch my my review on this, catch it. Go back and catch it. I really love it. But I said, you know what? It gives me a little bit like a dark, like a woody, right? Kind of latte pistachio, but it gives me woody, and I was like, I want to bring up the juice, okay? And I need pear, because pear goes well with everything. Hello, the channel you hopped on, the pear channel. But pear goes great, and so I have layered it with Burberry, and this is the eau de toilette of Burberry Her. Listen, peach just makes everything better. I'm just convinced. Like, argue with somebody else. Argue with somebody else about it, because I'm gonna say it every time. Okay, argue with your neighbor, your mama, whoever, not me, because pear just uplifts everything. And I have been having some uplifting moments with these combinations, and I've enjoyed it so good. And not because they're green. Like, let's not be okay. Not because, oh, sis, you just pairing it because the color is green in the juice. No. I was like, I wanted to, brighten it up, juice it up, right? I need some fruity with this latte pistachio. And the pear did the job, as it would, as it should, because pear is the best thing since sliced bread, as it should. Well, fam, those are my suggested layering combinations. So if you're into layering, these are some of the things that I have been enjoying. And I don't just bring layering combinations to you if I'm not layering. So I have experienced these, and I have stamped them, approved them, and they're really good. Okay, so let me know your thoughts. If you try any of these, I would love to know your comments and thoughts down below. Have you tried any of these fragrances, maybe separate, together? What are some of your lovely layering combinations that you have been putting on for the spring time? I would love to know. You know I'm nosy. Let me know. Okay, make sure you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up, comment down below. I would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some, grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you so much. Bye.